This video will be talking about UFW operations. So what is UFW? UFW is nothing but uncomplicated firewall. Okay, I have opened few sources. I'd like to show you. Let's search what firewall is. Okay, so a firewall. In computing, a firewall is a network security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. Okay, a firewall typically establishes a barrier between a trusted internal network and untrusted external network such as the internet. Okay, so firewall, as you all can see here, it's very necessary for security purpose, right? Your system can be in danger, right, if you don't have a proper firewall. And you can go through this and you can see how a firewall will be located in a network between LAN and WAN, right? Okay, so another term we'll be using is TCP. What is TCP? TCP is Transmission Control Protocol. It's a standard that defines how to establish and maintain a network conversation through which application programs can exchange data, right? TCP works with the Internet Protocol, okay, which defines how computers send packets of data to each other. Okay, one more term we'll be talking about is about port. So in computer networking, a port is a communication endpoint at the software level. With an operating system, a port is a logical construct that identifies a specific process or a type of network service. Okay, ports are identified for each protocol and address combination by 16-bit unsigned numbers, commonly known as the port number. Okay, so port number, common port number. Let's see these common port numbers. So port 80 commonly we see, right, in web development. So it's assigned to hypertext transfer protocol, okay, which is used in the World Wide Web. So there are well-known ports. So they range from 0 to 1023. Okay, just go through this without any further delay. So let's see the docs by Ubuntu, because the default I chose Ubuntu because the default firewall configuration tool for Ubuntu is nothing but UFW. Okay, and here there are few syntax and examples. You can go through them, and there are few commands how to enable it. We'll be seeing that now in our terminal. Okay, how do you disable and how do you allow and deny specific rules? Okay, you can mention the port number here, which saw, right, the common port number here, and we can give them rules like allow, deny. Okay, we can allow incoming transfer communication protocol and UDP packet on port 53. UDP is nothing but user datagram protocol. Okay, it's a transport layer protocol and it's a part of Internet Protocol Suite referred as UDP/IP suite. Unlike TCP, it is unreliable and connectionless protocol. Okay, it's connectionless. So what is UDP? UDP is nothing but user datagram protocol. User datagram protocol. Okay, I'll come back to this. So there are few examples out here, and you can also delete the existing rule. How do you delete? You will delete using sudo UFW delete deny. So if you have insisted a rule, or if you have given a rule called as deny to the port 80, so how do you delete that? So you sudo UFW delete deny 80/TCP. Okay, and you can also allow services or deny services. You can go through the docs help.ubuntu.com/community/UFW. Okay, so without any further delay, let's open our terminal. Control Alt T. Okay. Now to enable UFW, the command is sudo UFW enable. Enter your password. Okay. As you can see, firewall is active and enabled on system startup. Okay, so the firewall now is active. Okay, sudo. And how to check the status of your firewall? Sudo UFW status, and it says status active. So now if you type sudo UFW status numbered, this is same. So here you can allow sudo UFW allow 80/TCP. So what are we doing here? So we are enabling traffic to the 80 port on which web server is running. Okay, it says rule added. Okay, now the general format is sudo UFW and port / optional protocol. Okay, protocol is optional. So how do you deny access to a particular port? So for that, the command is sudo UFW. I'm just giving example. Sudo UFW deny, let's say 3306. Okay, it says rule added. Okay, so now how do you delete? Let's now go to sudo UFW status, the command which we typed here, sudo UFW status number, and now you can see the numbered status, right? So to port number 80/TCP, the action is allow in, right, from anywhere. Okay, so you can allow anything to this port, right? So how do you delete now? So sudo UFW delete. So if you want to delete this, you have to give the number as like this. Okay, I think invalid syntax, sorry, should be just one then. Okay, deleting, it says deleting allow 80/TCP, press S, and yes, the rule has been deleted, correct? So you can also whitelist particular known trusted IP address. How do you do that? So sudo UFW allow from, specify the IP address here. This is just an example, to any port 3306, let's say. Okay, rule added. Now let us check our status again. So it says status active, and again there's to action and from fields, right? So that's it from this video. Thank you all. Happy learning.